Okay, here's the issue. We have our ATV Yamaha Breeze and did not run for about maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years, who knows. We changed the battery and trying to start it, but still cannot do that. Check the spark plugs and put this in position. Fuel. Put choke off on.
Well, you started, you put it out, but we pulled it out, so.
Yeah, we pulled it out and still doesn't happen. Okay, here we're trying to start it. As you see. So we doesn't know what is this, and we'll check it. Okay. Thanks everybody.